Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with a really super cool product. This is from Enbrighten.me.com. This is the Enbrighten LED color changing landscape lights. These are 6 lights that have color changing landscape lights. You can take and put them around your property, house, commercial, all that sort of good stuff. 6 lights with a 50 feet cord. You can also get more lights, 9 lights, 80 foot, and 12 lights at 110 foot. So, wow, pretty cool. Comes with a remote control as well, which makes this really nice. You can use these to get perfect year-round use of flower beds, garden, hedges, walkways, deck, patio, entry, spotlight, path light, security lighting, accent lighting, eaves, indoor, team, colors, party lights, holidays, and more. It's got selectable white, warm white, 2200K, soft white 2700K, and daylight 5000K. There's color changing on it where you can choose one color or any 2 color combination or preset modes and effects to create over 120 possible color combinations. It includes a 22-foot lead wire and a 10-foot of flexible spacing between the lights for a total of 72 feet on this particular model, I should say. If you get the longer ones with more lights, you get more. It has long-range wireless remote to control all the features, including color, time effects, and 10-level dimming. Pairable remote to wirelessly control multiple sets of lights with batteries included. And it's got oil rub bronze metal housing that's commercial grade. This is commercial grade stuff here. And UL rated for permanent outdoor installations. Everything it needs is in the box, easy install with multiple mounting options for up or down lighting on the ground, mounted via keyholes, or staked in the ground. It also comes with the stake system as well. Pretty darn amazing, and it's energy efficient LEDs, approximately 4 watts per puck light. That's 26 watts total. And we got a chance to test this out, play with it, and as you can see from the video, the lights are pretty amazing, super bright, super rich, very well sealed up so they can survive being out in the rain and weather and all that sort of good stuff year after year. You don't have to keep pulling them back in and all that good stuff. Lots of really great colors that are in here, and I was just amazed at some of the different features you could do with the remote control in getting just a multitude of different light variations. Be sure to check it out. Go to EnbrightenMe.com. That's EnbrightenMe.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. And check out the Enbrighten LED color changing landscape lights that you can take and get on their website. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.